When it comes to muscle building, a lot of emphasis are paid to macronutrients, but हम लोग most of the time भूल जाते हैं micronutrients के बारे में. Micronutrients में भी, in fact, a lot of attention are being given to multivitamins, and very few people pay attention to minerals, right? Multivitamins क्या है? Multivitamins are organic compounds, and they work through the enzyme systems of the body. But ये जो enzyme systems है, which activates or which allows the multivitamins to work in the body, these are actually activated by the minerals. तो अगर आपका minerals intake is not up to the point, even the multivitamins are not going to work, right? इस series में I am going to cover all of these micronutrients which are very, very important in helping you build muscle. So the first video is about magnesium in this series. Keep watching the video and we'll be back. So number one in my list is magnesium. Magnesium क्या है? Magnesium is a mineral. What is a mineral? Minerals are inorganic elements which are required by the body in very trace amounts. Very छोटा amount में body को चाहिए होता है to perform all the different metabolic processes in the body. So magnesium is required for more than around 300 metabolic processes in the body. But मैं इस वीडियो में purely muscle building perspective से बात करूँगा because we are discussing how magnesium is important for muscle building. So जो पहला point है that is related to the energy generation inside the cell which is created by the mitochondria, right? Mitochondria क्या है? Mitochondria is like the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria को आप सोच सकते हैं कि these are like the small batteries in the cell, right? जिसके अंदर आपके पूरा energy है which is created as an ATP. बैटरी को जैसे ही आपने एक्टिवेट किया to power any device, that energy is being transferred, right? So ATP, it's a molecule which carries all this energy, chemical energy produced inside the mitochondria for different activities inside the cell, right? So in terms of bodybuilding, how does it affect it? When you go to the gym and try to lift weights, right? What you're trying to do is आप energy create कर रहे हैं from the cells to do the lifts. So इस case में it has been found that magnesium binds to the ATP and this helps in the process of energy generation. So what it will do, it will help you lift more weight and create that energy output to maximize your performance in the gym. So this is one very important factor क्योंकि आपके पास अगर if you are able to produce more energy from the cells, your performance in the gym is going to be more. You're going to lift more and more weights, which in turn will induce hypertrophy and lead to muscle building. So this is one factor why it makes to my list. And the second point is the recovery. In fact, ये हम लोग जब workout करते हैं, and ATP is being generated by the mitochondria. This mitochondria cells, they tend to get, you tend to overload this mitochondria, right? So the body, what does it do is, जैसे ही आपने workout खत्म किया, तो to some extent you have damaged this mitochondria, right? So mitochondria का repair process start होना चालू हो जाता है. So what is this magnesium's role in this, right? So magnesium helps in the repair process of this mitochondria. तो आपका जो cells है, it will tend to recover very fast if you have enough intake of magnesium. अगर आपका magnesium intake सही नहीं है, so your ability of the mitochondria to generate ATP is going to get hampered. So that is the second important point. In fact, recovery के बारे में जब हम बात करेंगे, we know that recovery is the game changer while you're trying to build muscle. You can do a lot of stuff, you can do a lot of lifts in the gym, but if you're not recovering enough, we know that your muscle building is not going to be optimum, right? So magnesium is very, very important. Also, it has been found that muscle cramps जो होते हैं, मतलब because of कई बार हमें लगता है कि we are less in water and less in calcium, but actually it is because of magnesium. ये जो calcium है, calcium is responsible for contraction of the muscle. Whenever the muscle needs to contract, whenever the muscle cell is triggered for contraction, the cell membranes, the calcium cell membranes opens up and they allow the calcium to come inside the cell. So once the calcium is inside the cell, they binds to the actin-myosin complex and they keep the muscle in the contracted position, right? So now once the task is done, the contraction is done, the role of magnesium comes into play. Magnesium will come in and take this calcium out of the muscle cell. So this will allow the muscle to relax and be ready for the next contraction. So yes, calcium is responsible for contraction, but for the relaxation of the muscle, magnesium is very, very important because this will kick out the calcium from the cell. So तो क्या होता है कि कई बार हम लोग कैल्शियम पे फोकस करते हैं and we focus on hydration, but the main factor, the root cause is magnesium, but not deficiency of calcium or what. So it plays a very, very important role in the recovery of muscles. The third role is about testosterone. We know testosterone is a male hormone and is responsible for all the male properties in the human body. And we all know the importance of testosterone in muscle building. So it has been found that magnesium tends to keep an optimum level of testosterone. In fact, I will share you a study after I cover the second minerals, where the research shows that administering magnesium along with the other two elements, which is zinc and B6, and it has been found that the testosterone level was quite boosted up for the people जिनको zinc or magnesium दिया गया था. So these are the three factors why magnesium should be in your list. Magnesium will come from green vegetables, whole grains, nuts, legumes, oats, fruits. But क्या होता है कि अगर आप athlete हो, so what happens is आपका डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. In fact, like it grows, your demand for this minerals grows 10 times than a normal people, right? और आप जिम में क्या होता है कि you also sweat a lot. तो sweating है, जो भी पानी निकलता है बॉडी है, उसमें you tend to lose lot of this electrolytes. तो इसलिए सप्लीमेंटेशन के फॉर्म में लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड सप्लीमेंट्स में हमें बहुत हाई डोज में मिलता है. और अगर आप सप्लीमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो यू शुड बी ऑलवेज केयरफुल कि आप कौन से फॉर्म में सप्लीमेंट ले रहे हो. देयर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम. तो आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि जिसमें वो सबसे ज़्यादा बायो अवेलेबल है. बायो अवेलेबल है मतलब where it is available in the most biologically active form, जहाँ से the cells can absorb it and use it for different processes, right? So आपका generally magnesium glycinate has been found to be a very, very good form where it is biologically active quite, and it is very popular among bodybuilders here. तो आप इसको ले सकते हो. डोज के बारे में बात करें तो 400 to 600 milligram per day is enough, and after workout taking magnesium after workout is very, very good क्योंकि आपका recovery का बात है, your recovery of the cells, recovery of the mitochondria. So it has been found that taking magnesium after the workout is the best. So our next video will be on zinc, which is another micro mineral which needs to be in your arsenal. So till then, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to click on the notification sign so that whenever we release any video, you get the notification of the content being uploaded. Till then,